Hey everyone, so I'm Dan from .2D Collectibles. We're gonna do an unboxing today. This is a statue from Tweeterhead, and it's from Teela, Masters of the Universe. So let's do a quick video on this, so stay tuned. All right, so here we've already taken this beautiful box. Look at the art. The artwork that they do is just phenomenal. That's one of the reasons why when you get yourself a statue, you don't want to throw any of this away. You want to hold on to it and maintain it, because this in itself is art. And what we're going to be showing is a 1/5 scale statue of Teela. This is going to be the third release. Now let's take this beautiful statue out of its box and put it together. If this is your first statue of this scale, you want to make sure they always come taped, okay? Or some, like Iron Studios, they'll have a nice Velcro strap. You want to pay attention to your box. Like here, I don't know if you can get a quick close-up. Here it says top. The other side will say bottom. Some won't, you know, but as long as you face the top part up, you want to do that, because when you take the foam off, if you don't sit it right, you could have a piece that's loose and that could break your statue. Okay, you can stop it now. Numbered. This is number 362 of 2000. Look at that. Look at the man.
Yeah, you guys did a good job with the place.
You should have seen it. It was horrible. Yeah. I mean, just.
It's really nice. It looks like very like professional. Like.
Thank you. I did all the wiring, the sound, the lights. He helped me. The floor was bad. There's cracks everywhere. It was a barbershop. So they never upkept it. The walls were grimy. So the nice thing about these is they're magnetic. So it snaps really nice into place. Just make sure you have to see which one's going in. You don't want to force it in. If you notice, it's like a little puzzle. So the angle, it all matches with the piece there. Aside from knowing what right and what your left is, right? try to have that type of an environment where it's just everyone's having a good time, we're all laughing. So this is the final product. Here we have Teela, Stairway to Grayskull. Grayskull, ¿verdad? Yeah, it's Grayskull. I wasn't much of a Masters of the Universe fan. I just know very little about it, but even for me that I was not an avid fan of this show, this is a must-have. I mean, the way they did the painting, the sculpture, the face. I don't know if you can do a close-up on the face. Just simply amazing. This is as best as you can get on a statue. I mean, just simply amazing. So Israel, thank you. It's you did an amazing investment in the statue. So these are the things that we can get for you at Doc's Unique Collectibles. From statues to hot toys, action figures. That's what we're about. That's why we always tell our customers we are not a toy store. We're a collector's dream shop. So hopefully we'll see you soon.